Did you get a present from Grandma and Grandpa?
Let's take this off so they can see your smiles.
What is it?
Bunk.
Books. You love books. What are you doing?
You are very excited about that book, aren't you?
Oh.
Oh.
Pinned.
He loves it. He won't let it go. Oh. Oh.
What is it? Self-destructive behavior. Come this way so we can see your face. There we go. Book. Kisses? Maybe we could open them and let him actually play with the books. Woohoo! Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Merkley.